The only way we can multiply two numbers and get 0 is if at least one of the two numbers has to be 0. So on this one, you'll notice we've got x times this thing in parentheses, x minus 32 equals 0. The only way that happens is if either x, our first factor, equals 0, or our second factor could equal 0. The second factor being what's in parentheses. One of those two things has to be true. Well, we want to solve this, so we want to get x by itself. You'll notice in the first factor, x is already by itself, x is equal to 0. Now we also need to solve the second factor. To get rid of that minus 32, we can add 32 to each side. And when we do that, 0 plus 32 is equal to 32. So our two solutions here is either x could equal 0 or x could equal 32. Those are the ways that we could multiply these two factors and get 0. If x was 0, we put 0 in here, just kind of going over the check real quick. If 0 is there, then it's 0 times, over here we'd have 0 minus 32, that's negative 32. 0 times negative 32 is 0. It checks. If x was 32, our second possibility, our second solution, we put 32 in here, we'd have 32 times, and then in parentheses we'd have 32 minus 32, which is 0. 32 times 0 is 0, it checks.